welcome to Gcoop Malaysia Educational Program. So you don't need to remember all the long name, just remember the simple words, which is GEM. So welcome to GEM. So today I want to ask you a simple question, which is, are you on diet these days? Yes or no? If yes, you are same with me. Okay, but I found that the biggest enemy for diet is the late night food. But for me, it's very hard to drop that bad eating habit, because mostly at the night time, I will always craving for nasi lemak, ikan bakar, ramen, macaroni cheese, and so on. But it's killing me, right? But do you know the biggest enemy for your skin is? Yes, the UVA and UVB is killing your skin so bad. Do you want me to share with you how I protect my skin from the direct sunlight? Also, how I can remain my skin healthy and flawless. Okay, so let me share. But please help me to keep this secret, okay? Because I only share with you guys, the CareCella lovers. So this is the CareCella Velvet Cover BB Cream that helps me a lot, okay? Because it helps me to protect my skin against the sunlight, direct sunlight, and also instant brightening and whitening. And the most important thing for me is anti-wrinkle. It's anti-wrinkle, okay? So you can see the effect instantly. In this MCO time, you always need to wear a mask. But that mask, oh, I really hate it. Because it's really make my skin dry, heavy, and so suffocating. Because I also have the asthmatic problem. So I really hate to wear the mask. But it's compulsory here. I know and I respect that so much. So let me show you on my hands, okay? The effect. I take the one palm, consider one palm now, okay? So I dab like that, just slightly put on your hand. The texture is so thin, not heavy, easy to blend, and the instant effect, you can see it's glowing and shining. I really love the effect. If you can see that. Oh, sorry, I have a big dark skin, but I need to show this for your good. Sorry, because I make my hijab like this, but I need to show you guys on my face when I apply this BB cream. Okay, I will put half here with the CareCella BB cream, and half I will not put anything on it, because I want to show the difference for you guys. So let me show you the effect. Wow, today I wear the blusher, you know, but it can cover up your blusher. Wow, it's glowing. I really like to wear this BB cream. Every day is a must for me to put this CareCella Velvet Cover BB cream. If you can see the difference, one side already glowing, but one side still oily like that, and this side is perfect for me. As you can see the difference here, already white, brighten up, and look so healthy. But this part, as you can see lah, I don't want to talk more about that. Okay, last but not least, in this one tube of CareCella Velvet Cover BB Cream, you can get 3-in-1 instant effect, which are anti-wrinkle, brightening and whitening instant effect, and also it helps to protect your skin from the direct sunlight. And if you want to know more about CareCella brand and also others Gcoop brand, you can search our website www.gcoop.com, and also please do follow our official Facebook Malaysia, which is Gcoop Malaysia. Please follow us, okay? So CareCella have a lot of product, many more, and I will see you in the next video to show more and educate you guys about all these products. Okay, bye, see you in the next video.